Hello viewers, how are you all doing? Hope you staying safe. Welcome to my channel, thanks for clicking on this video. Sit back, relax and learn something new today. This edit is an easy one. Just watch till the end. Okay, let's get to it. First, cut out the image from background. Using cutout tool is the fastest way to achieve this, as it also has an option for automatic cut. After cutting, it automatically saves to stickers. Now, open a fresh drawing page. Import the sticker. Add a new empty layer and make the background black. Ensure the empty layer is below the one with the picture. Now click on this option and select multiply. That's it. As simple as that. Thanks for watching, please don't forget to subscribe. Hope to see you in our next video.